Hello, today we are going to multiply a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. And to do that, first of all, we have to come up with a equation. So we'll come up with 657 times 4. Okay, so to set this up, you put the 4, the number that you're multiplying by, you put that out in front, and then you make 3 boxes for each place value you're going to multiply. And you're going to put a plus sign in between because you're going to add them together once you figure out what they are. Then you take the number that you're multiplying and you break that up into expanded form. So we learned that in class that would be 600 plus 50 plus 7. Okay, now you take the number you're multiplying by, which is the 4, and you multiply it times each box. So 4 times 600. Well, the little rule that I told my students in class, you can cover up the zeros. 4 times 6 is 24, and put the 2 zeros at the end. So you have 2400 for that answer. Then you go to the next box. 4 times 50, cover up the 0. 4 times 5 is 20. Put the 0 at the end, so it makes it 200. And then 4 times 7 is 28. And then what you do is, once you have all 3 of those numbers, you simply add them up. So I'm going to write them over here, and I'm going to add them up. The thing you have to make sure is you have to make sure the place values are lined up when you bring them over here. That's one of the mistakes that 4th graders make. They bring them over here and they don't line them up, and then it causes them to get the wrong answer. So when you go ahead and add that, you have an 8, you have a 2, you have a 6, and you have a 2. So the answer should be 2,628. Now, what I always do when I do a problem, I always want to check it. So I'm going to go ahead and check it on my calculator. So I'm going to do 657 times 4, 657 times 4, and there you notice I get the same answer, 2,628. Okay, so hopefully this helps you when you're multiplying your 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication. This is the distributive property. This is just one way to do it. There's many other ways to divide a 3-digit by 1-digit, which I will show you at a later date. All right, thanks.